Well, now it is time to check out the assignment operators in Java. The very basic assignment operator is the equal to itself. So till now we were using the equal to sign everywhere. That equal to sign is actually the assignment operator. Now apart from equal to, there are various other general purpose assignment operators such as plus followed by equal to, asterisk then equal to, division symbol followed by equal to, and modulus equal to. So all these are basically the general purpose assignment operator and are widely used while making any application. Now currently you must be wondering what does this actually means, plus equal to, asterisk equal to, and so on. So before we touch that part, let us check the associativity. Now, in case of assignment operator, we actually evaluate the statement from right to left. What I mean to say is, suppose we have x equal to x asterisk y. So, in this case, we first solve x into y and then assign it to x variable. So this is the associativity of right to left. First solve right hand side and then assign it to left hand side. Now if I try to write this statement in terms of assignment operator, then we simply write like this: x asterisk equal to y. Now this statement is basically equal to this statement. So asterisk equal to means that x equal to x into y. So whatever symbol that we have here will be present here, and then we have x equal to x followed by asterisk into y. So in short we write it as x into equal to y. Now the same thing applies for other operators as well, such as plus equal to, division equal to, and then modulus operator equal to. So here inside the IntelliJ IDE, let us remove our old code, and now let us explore the assignment operator. So here let us define a variable of, let's say, income. Suppose my income is 30,000 per month. And now let us write the bonus per month. The bonus is suppose 5,000. Now if I want to calculate my net income, that is my fixed income, and then adding bonus to it, so for that I have to add income plus bonus. Now if I don't want to create one more variable of net income, so instead of that we can simply assign income equal to income plus bonus. Now this statement as a whole is actually equivalent to income plus equal to, let's say, bonus. So this statement is actually interpreted and expanded as this statement that we have written here. So both statements are basically same. So if I comment this statement, then in place of that we have to write income plus equal to bonus. So this is basically my net income per month. Let us print out the new income, run the code. So here we get 35,000 in the output console. Now let me give you one more example. Let us use another int variable of, let's say, number equal to 10. And if I use another integer variable of x equal to 2, then in that case let us explore the various assignment operators. For example, number equal to number asterisk x. So what it will do, it will simply multiply number by x, that is 10 into 2 equal to 20, and assign the value of 20 to this number, right? So this statement can be written as, with the help of assignment operator, number space asterisk equal to x. And now let us print out the number, s out, and now print the number. So here we get 20. So 10 into 2 is actually 20. Apart from asterisk, let us use the division operator. So here let us replace asterisk by division. Let us run it. And here we get 5. 10 divided by 2 is basically 5. And also we can replace this by modulus operator, which is basically the remainder operator that gives us the remainder. Let us use again here modulus. And I guess this time we are going to get 0 because 10 is perfectly divisible by 2. So here we get 0 in the output console. So these are all the basic assignment operators in Java. And always remember the associativity is from right to left. That is, first solve this and then assign it to the left hand side.